Hello class, welcome back to EXSS 490. The next session we're going to be talking about is professional development. Professional development is an ongoing assignment that can be done as early as the first week of class, but it is not due until close to the end of the semester. Professional development is designed to give you some ideas about what other people are doing in the field and to keep you up to date on things that are going on in exercise and sports science. The first thing I want you to do is read the professional development assignment. This explains exactly how to do the assignment. The next thing you'll do is look at the professional development documentation. If you choose to go to an in-person professional development activity, you will need to make sure you bring this documentation with you in order to get it signed. However, if you do one of the other options that I will tell you about in just a moment, you can just fill out the form without an official signature. The video that is listed here is the one that you are watching now. Below the Professional Development tab, there is something called Professional Development Opportunities. Every semester, I update this with anything that's going on around campus or things that you can do online. If you're not close to campus, all you need to do is to click on a couple of these and do exactly what the assignment says. So you'll need to listen to the video, answer the questions on the professional development documentation, and then submit it on the professional development documentation tab here. Sometimes during the semester, a professor will be doing some research. Each time I get an opportunity like that, I will send you an email and then add it to this list. Every semester, these opportunities change, and I do try to update them when I know if the professor has completed the research. So please make sure that you understand that this professional development opportunity can begin any time of the semester, and you can submit it any time at all, and it is due by the end of the semester on the date provided on the syllabus. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please let me know. Have a great day.